Chiron in astrology explained, the wounded healer, the astroking. Chiron, the wounded healer. Chiron is one of the most fascinating points used in modern Western astrology. Named after the wise healer of Greek mythology, Chiron is commonly associated with vulnerability, healing, resilience, and the wisdom that develops through life's experiences. Although Chiron is not one of the traditional planets, many astrologers consider its placement an important part of understanding personal growth and self-awareness within the natal chart. What is Chiron? Astronomically, Chiron is a centaur, minor planet, orbiting between Saturn and Uranus. In astrology, it is represented by the glyph and has become an important symbolic point in many modern natal chart interpretations. Unlike the planets, which describe different psychological functions, Chiron is commonly interpreted as representing areas where life encourages learning, resilience, compassion, and the development of wisdom through experiment. Experience. The meaning of the wounded healer. The phrase, wounded healer, comes from the Greek myth of Chiron, a wise teacher who carried a wound that could not easily be healed. Modern astrologers often use this symbolism to describe areas where individuals may experience vulnerability while also developing empathy, understanding, and the ability to support others. Rather than viewing Chiron as something negative, many astrologers see it as representing opportunities for personal growth, acceptance, and transformation throughout life. How Chiron is interpreted. Chiron's zodiac sign describes the style through which its themes are expressed, while the house placement identifies the area of life where these experiences may become most noticeable. Planetary aspects to Chiron provide additional context by showing how its symbolism interacts with the rest of the natal chart. For example, Chiron placed in the third house may emphasize learning and communication, while Chiron in the 10th house may relate to career, reputation, or public responsibilities. Every interpretation depends on the complete chart rather than one placement alone. Chiron and personal development. Many astrologers view Chiron as encouraging self-awareness rather than predicting specific life events. Understanding its placement can help individuals recognize recurring patterns, develop resilience, and approach personal challenges with greater perspective. Over time, the qualities represented by Chiron are often interpreted as becoming sources of wisdom, compassion, and the ability to guide or encourage others through similar experiences. Chiron in modern Western astrology. Chiron is widely used in modern psychological astrology, evolutionary astrology, and many contemporary natal chart interpretations. While traditional astrology placed less emphasis on Chiron, it has become an important component of many modern chart readings alongside the planets, houses, aspects, and lunar nodes. Its interpretation is most meaningful when considered as one part of the overall natal chart rather than in isolation. Explore Chiron in your birth chart. The easiest way to understand Chiron is to locate it within your own natal chart. Observe its zodiac sign, house placement, and any significant aspects it forms with the planets. These combinations provide valuable context for understanding how Chiron contributes to your unique astrological profile. As your knowledge grows, you'll begin to see how Chiron complements the themes shown by the planets, houses, aspects, and lunar nodes. creating a richer understanding of the complete chart.